Hey everybody, Scott Smith, Rusnack BMW. We got a beautiful Silverstone M4 Coupe in, brand new. So definitely just wanted to give you a shot of this color. Haven't shot one yet of the Silverstone. We have had this shade out before on other colors. On other cars. But I thought this is a fully loaded M4. One of our most beautiful cars. Got the black 19s on it. M Performance brakes. So I thought this would be perfect to shoot this color. I almost want to do one in every color. BMW's paint is amazing. Let's do a little rev time. Listen to Vanessa rev that car. Awesome. Awesome, Vanessa. Good job. Thanks.
Bye.
See ya. Bye. All right, let's do a little walk around on this. Let me show you the stick here, guys, and show you all the goodies on it. You can see there's the base price. We move on down to the packages. Driver's Assistance Plus, got some of the cool technology out there. Executive package, almost one of the musts. Lighting package with everybody I know likes that. The adaptive full LED headlights, kind of a signature these days on most of our premium performance cars. M double clutch, M adaptive suspension, and that's awesome, guys, for $1,000. Makes it a little softer, makes it a little tighter. I have driven it without the M adaptive, and it's definitely an M series ride. My goodness, come on. And sorry about the focus, guys. I know with the glass in front of this sticker, it really plays games with my camera on this Note 4. So get down to the bottom, you can see it's got all the bells and whistles on it. Well, we got 83 for a coupe, so not too bad, but let's go over here. There's your gas mileage, but like what I've said before, who cares on an M4? All right, let me give you another shot of the car on the outside. We'll move indoors in just a second. The car weighs just under 3,600 pounds. You've got a 3-liter inline 6 M twin power turbo technology, 425 horsepower, 406 torque. BMW's gotten it to 0 to 60 in 3.9. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Give you a little view back here. Great storage, fold down seats. You can hear that exhaust, can't you? It's pretty cool. Definitely know you're standing next to an M. There's your gel pack for your tires. These are non-run flats. Got some nice Michelins on there. And the black 19s have really been popular on here. Really gives it a nice aggressive look. It's kind of brushed on the front blades there. Shadow line exterior standard too, guys. As you can see here around the windows. So if you tint your windows out, looks really nice. Got your carbon fiber panel roof. Helps drop that center of gravity just another fraction of an inch. Rigidity's really nice with that roof too. Obviously you don't want any flexing going on. Let's pop the hood, pull twice. Let's check out the power plant. Check out the carbon fiber. Nice sport strut, huh? It's definitely supporting both the struts. Obviously a nice signature look, especially with carbon fiber. I don't know what other car has this type of design for support, but BMW definitely had a good idea. Just a nice touch when you open up the hood to show your buddies. It does have a carbon fiber drive shaft too, guys. So they've really thought about every little piece of this car. You can see we got the black grille on the front. Got their signature mirrors. We know throughout time they've always had very exclusive mirrors on the full M version cars. You can only imagine how much time it took to design just that mirror. And then you've got your seats. Just awesome seats, man. What a jump from what we've had in the previous models. Not to say that the previous ones weren't bad seats, but just the design, the leather, the attitude, the glowing M badge at night when you unlock the car. The back of it, you know, hard, no storage, just kind of gives it that nice look. Kind of like a racing seat a little bit. Back seat, plenty of room in the back, guys, especially on this body style, but even in our previous one, there was actually a lot of room in these back seats. I've done many test drives back here, so I'm 5'8", so for average adults and stuff, you got plenty of space back here for four people total in the car. Just a way to move the seat forward and back for the rear passenger when the driver jumps out. Oh, let's get inside to the cockpit. Okay, this one does have the Harman Kardon sound system. One of the best things in the car, man, is this M design steering wheel. Custom design, paddle shifters, big gauges, easy to read. iDrive 4.2 version in here, 20 gig hard drive for music. It's fast, quick. Great map design. You can see you've got the standard setting right now, but you can go over, play with the different settings. Weather at 10 miles. Satellite images, you can have your shrubbery effect on there. Get some color like Google. Alternative colors, day and night mode. Different views. Direction of travel. So, pretty nice design. Very quick. The voice command's awesome in here. Easy to put in an address. You can see up there with the blinking heads-up display. Black headliner, obviously on a full M series. Contrast stitching. Really nice attitude adjustment from the traditional stitching you've seen in the past. This one does have the carbon fiber trim. Actually, they've made some great cup holders, just to let you know. I remember when I first started over 15 years ago, it was like an afterthought. So they've definitely accommodated that for us here in the United States. It's like I gotta have my coffee every day. Got some decent storage in the middle center console. Place to plug in your iPhone. Charging. Now this will come with a lot of streaming too, guys. Apps, music. BMW online services is also included too. That'll be like a Google search, Yelp, live gas prices, BMW news. And that's included for 3 years. Also, you've got a place here, 45-degree angle to put water bottles. So you can put that there, have the coffee in the middle. So 4 cup holders, 2 in the back. Total of 6 in a coupe, so. Let's get outside and give you another look. If you guys have a chance, definitely go in and go for a test drive. Nothing like an M4. Hey, if you guys like the video, please send it over to your other media sources. Send it to your buddies and stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll talk to you later.